Memories are there to remind us of the things that have gone before, our special friends and loved ones. Some we'll never see anymore. This year has been amongst the best of our schooling lives. It's been like a roller coaster ride. All of us have had our ups and downs. One thing that'll remain constant is the bond and memories we have shared and made. Hoping to etch the memories of grade 10 in your hearts forever. स्कूल ये ऐसी जगह थी जहाँ बचपन में जाते डर लगता था और अब इसे छोड़ते आंखें भर आती है। शायद फिर किस्मत चमक जाए, स्कूल के वो हसीन पल मिल जाए। चल मेरे यार आज फिर कुछ यादें ताज़ा कराए।
Like we said, different schools, different books, and different uniforms, but our friendship stays intact.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we love.
These 2 years have brought me the best of our lives, and I think the people of other classes will not know how it felt like being in 10A, or as our teachers used to say, worst class ever. Fun we had in these 2 years, even in the classes, it doesn't matter which subject, was something which we'll never forget for our entire lives. I want to give full respect to our teachers who did hit us once throughout the 2 years, but we really deserved it, we really did, and it's undescribable. I actually can't describe it in like 1 minute or anyhow. You guys are something different. I'll actually miss you guys so much. I'm already missing you, but being in a class without you all is it's gonna take some time to settle. I miss you also. बाद में जाना please अभी कुछ काम बाद It's going to turn out to be a really long video, so I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much. I'm gonna say that one more time. I miss you all, man. I miss you all. And before I start crying, thank you all for being the best family I've ever had.
Memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost, and I felt all of the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feel like an ember, and it's like I'm actually fat.
क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा?
Please, Swati, I am a highly respectable man in society. Yeah, take this.
जीवन में मुझे कभी ना मिली दोस्तों की ऐसी बड़ी फैमिली। हर दिन हर रात मुझे याद आए वो दिन जब हम क्लास में हंसते गाते, चाहे वो हो वैभव अर्णव की बेन स्टोक्स या हो हरिणी के सारे लेम जोक्स। पीपी बुलाते मुझे मेरे दोस्त, साथ में चिल्लाते कुड यू हर रोज़। अब जब मैं बैठ के सोचूं, अपने आप से मैं पूछूं, कैसे होते ये 2 साल इनके बिना? जीवन बिल्कुल अधूरा इनके बिना। दिल में है मेरे वो हसीन यादें, चाहे फिर से हो ना हो मुलाकातें, चाहे हम करें ना करें बातें। 10B के लिए मुझे बस यही है कहना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। I will never be able to forget those days where we played ninja in class hiding from Veda ma'am and in the name of the game hit each other multiple times. How can I ever forget those extremely intense Lagori games? These 2 years have gone by so quickly that by the time I realized how much I miss you all, we'd become one big family. 10B, love you, Tiger.
Hey, what's up? No, oh my god. What's up, people? Here's a representation of my memories of our class in the form of a really cringy song. Hope you like it. Don't get offended.
Yeah. Yes. Rapper.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna try rapping, but all I can think of is heroic rapping. Arif is such an idiot. He acts like Himanshu on his period. We all know the skill twins, but Disha and Dhanush are the kill twins. Look at the shapes in our class. We got a triangle and a circle with a weird ass laugh. This is Siddharth. He looks like a human fart. Himanshu has dated she, and she, but none of them have got the D. SV acts like a baller, but he looks like this but a little shorter. Well, but however stupid we seem to be, we are still sexy.
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे when our days used to start with Seema ma'am telling us to get into our classes and end with Jairam sir shouting, "Get back to your buses." Not even one day went by without us fighting over who will distribute the newspaper. And if someone said that Uzair was in the class during the prayer or Kunal got a haircut, we all know it's a lie. Desperately waiting for our extra long breaks and singing JMD, waiting for lunch to go, ma'am, or Ameya cracking the funniest jokes during the most serious moments. I know we all miss Ranjana ma'am's phone ringing or waking up Rohan every period. Not even 1 week passed by when me, Akshit and Lakshman attended all 5 days of the school. I know we miss wishing Apramit, break a leg, or waiting for Kabir to sneeze. From chalks to tube lights to the glass pane of a door, breaking things apart brought us all together. So girls, boys, Shulamit, you are the reason what makes me crying today.
Months since we've given our board exams, and now that I think of school and all the amazing things we've done this year, I have to say grade 10th has been one of the best years of the 13 years I've been at DPS. I've never loved DPS more than I do now. Looking back at all the fun we've had, be it performing in our assemblies or annual days and sports days or any other event, carnivals or fests, or just even sitting in the canteen, eating those samosas and talking to friends, making new friends. We've created so many memories together, and I'm going to miss it all so much. Of course, we can't forget Manali, the most memorable trip we've had together, those bus rides and our DJ night. But the best part of this year was being in 10E, my favorite class. We were always up to some mischief. We were either breaking something in our class, dancing, playing music or bunking. We have had so much fun together. 10E is more than just a class for me, it's my family. We have such a strong friendship and such a strong bond, and we've always got each other's backs, and I love my family and I'm going to miss them so much.
It has been one heck of a year, and I bet you all know that. All the memories, all the bonds that we created this year are going to stay with us forever. You know, like troubling Ansam in math class, cracking jokes on Rija ma'am's Instagram, clapping our hands during math PT period, kept us sane throughout the year. All I'm gonna say is that I'm gonna miss this, and no one could have asked for a better 10th grade batch.
You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing in my head.
Right opposite to the office, so we always had to be careful not to get into trouble. We were serious when it was needed, but we knew how to have our fun. By the end of the year, there was this sense of unity and understanding, and we had all grown quite close. Little things like laughing at jokes during class, sticking post-its on each other, playing with paper planes around the guys who'd use nearly anything as a football are all unforgettable moments. The journey that began in 9th grade and ended with us all happily taking pictures on the day of blessing ceremony is one I will never forget. My teachers and friends have played an important part in my life and will continue to do so. Every single thing that happened in each class over the years will remain in my memory.
H. My favorite memories from 10H would include like our slang in the starting of the year where we would just say heavy and major flex whenever the teacher said something, and with Sai with his time up da in between classes, then Gautam of course, and my favorite memory would probably be when we weren't allowed to leave the class because someone had hidden the invigilator's phone inside the drawer. But overall we had a really great class. It was really fun, and I think I speak for everyone when I say I'm really going to miss this class.
Of my life. I can never forget of bunking Jayanti ma'am's physics period and running off to the library. I can never forget coming late from PT class just to avoid Smita ma'am's chemistry class. I'll always remember hiding and eating below the bench during Anita ma'am's history class, and these are some of the memories none of us can never forget. I can also never forget shamelessly laughing between every teacher's teaching and shamelessly clapping for no reason during every assembly. I can never forget the fun we had in every long break, and most importantly I can never forget that samosa chaat which we all die for.
Hey guys, so this is Aima from 10i. So how's life going on? To be honest, I'm missing our school days, man. Just to all the fun we had, from sneaking out of the classrooms to playing hide and seek in the blocks just to be safe and not getting caught by Taj ma'am or any PT teachers. Especially wearing those color jackets and escaping from their sides. It's the best. Oh my god, how can I forget the scenes in canteen? It was so much fun. क्या रे तू सी लेगा नहीं हम लेंगे ये वो वगैरह, and those drama after that, going to Princey, getting screwed and then getting suspended. I guess it's our batch who has been suspended a lot. Biryani lovers, man. I love biryani. To be honest, you guys annoyed the shit out of me, but then chalta hai. Last but not the least, our class. It was a good one, from those truth and days to never have I ever, and then those inside jokes, Kalkeji Mamsa, Billy Jirle, and then Ane Muri. You know what? Nange Kannada Gottu.
School just got over within a blink of an eye. This whole journey from nursery has just been wonderful, and I have found my family over here. We've done all sorts of craziest and dumbest things together, from breaking the speakers of the smart class, having lunch before the lunch breaks, and playing cricket, hand tennis, all sorts of games while begging for extra PT periods. How could we forget the canteen lockdown? After all, we were all in it together. and it gave me immense joy to be just there with you all and spend the
School wasn't the most looked forward part of my day, but it surely was the part which gave me the best of my memories. अब अपना पूरा टाइम तो स्कूल में टिफिन चुराते, बंक मारते, सीन लेते, लाइन मारते निकल गया। पर कौन जानता था कल तक जो अजनबी थे एक दिन मेरे दोस्त बन जाएंगे और देखते ही देखते यही दोस्त मेरे भाई बन जाएंगे। कौन जानता था जो लम्हे हम तब जिया करते थे वो एक दिन गुजर जाएंगे और फिर यही लम्हे हमारी यादें बन जाएंगे।
Tears are rolling down your face, and it feels like yours was the only heart to break. When you come back home and all the lights are out.
10K in a nutshell. Rohan Kedia faking an injury, Anwar eating at all times of the day, Chinmay's inseparable relationship with his Nike sipper, Amita being Amita, the basketball players pretending like they know the entire syllabus, Jivo and R shouting every 5 minutes, Shraddha's baby talk, me and Sachi bunking classes to play football because clearly we are as good as it gets. You can even witness Ujjwal's glasses flying across the class because he's probably getting beaten up by Jayanti ma'am, us pretending to care about Kavita ma'am's daughter's life, to Suman ma'am calling us children the 100th time in the day. We have come a long way. I speak for most people when I say that I hated my class, but now I'm living with my family.
Tenth grade, one of the best and most memorable times, not only for us, but for the teachers as well. Bunking Sujata ma'am's period to go to play PT, and cracking late jokes in Rupa ma'am's period and getting roasted by her. Bursting fruities in the canteen and getting belted by Taj ma'am is one of the best memories we all have ever had. And our iconic Mrinalini song will never be forgotten. This is and always will be one of the best batch of things.
Just like the makers of Lego. Your hair are as less in length as a humanity, but mine are as big as your ego. Oh! Jump, jump. Kapda. Ay, jump. Yeah, Bruno Mars. Yeah, Bruno Mars actually. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
Boring uniforms, unadjustable ties, many classes, many classrooms, best friends, a favorite teacher, some bench partners. And somewhere between all of this, we created a million school memories. This year has undoubtedly been the best year of my 13 years in school. And likewise, 10M has been the best class that I've ever been a part of. And that is purely because of the bond that all of us share and the memories that we created together. A perfect day for me begins when I wake up at 7 and struggle to catch the school bus. When I reach school, climb up 2 floors while meeting some friends on the way. My perfect day begins with me sitting around with my friends in class, having fun, joking around, only to be shouted at by Sai ma'am sometime later. My perfect day includes all sorts of games that we play in zero period, short break or even lunch break. My perfect day includes the innumerable shairi battles that we have in Manda ma'am's class. My perfect day includes fighting with Parv over whose team shoots where in PT. And of course, my perfect day includes playing a game we call triangles next to the class teacher's desk and frisbee with the lid of somebody's lunchbox. Yes, my perfect day is an ordinary day in 10M. Over the last 2 years, we've had our ups as well as our downs. We fought a lot, especially when we were deciding what our hoodie would look like. But in my opinion, it's those ups and downs and those fights that made our bond as strong as ever. 10M will always hold a special place in my heart, and so will each and every one of you who was a part of this wonderful journey of mine.
तुम बिन ऐसे मैं जल बिन मछली, तुम बिन ऐसे मैं जल बिन मछली, जान मेरी शान हो यार तुम नकली, जान मेरी शान हो यार तुम नकली, साथ मेरे चलते हो आसमान की तरह, साथ मेरे चलते हो आसमान की तरह, दिल में मुझको रखते हो जान की तरह, दिल में मुझको रखते हो जान की तरह। तुम जैसे अमलियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे ठरकियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों।
As much as I can remember, all that comes to my mind is that I entered this school as a small boy with a mushroom cut, hesitant to leave my parents' arms and go to school. But this school took me in its arms with a warm heart, promising to be my second home. And in my 13 years here, I can say with utmost certainty that this place has loved me just like my first home. And I'm sure the case is no different for the rest of you as well. Somewhere between all this fun and mischief that all of us had together, the last 2 years flew by. I still remember, and I'm sure all of you do as well, that how only a few years back we used to despise the thought of waking up early in the morning and going to school. But now, all of us sit quarantined at home going through albums that house memories of the years gone by at school. This short film made by a few of us hoped to reminisce some of the memories, or yadein if I may, that all of us created in this last year or two. This batch of 10th may have been the naughtiest or even the most annoying from the teacher's point of view, but somewhere in this mischief of ours, we became the best batch of 10th grade that DPS Bangalore South ever saw. So here's to our batch of 10th.
I speak for most people when I say
These 2 years have gone by so quickly that by the time I realized how much I'll miss you all.
Found my family over here.
Toast to the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your...
यादें मिठाई के डिब्बे की तरह होती है, एक बार खुला तो सिर्फ एक टुकड़ा नहीं खा पाओगे।